Hi, welcome back to my channel, That Girl Creates. I hope you are staying safe, sane, and hydrated today. I'm a conscious creator who believes that your highest self equals your highest creativity. So subscribe to my channel if you want to see all things health, wellness, lifestyle, and a little bit of things in between. So today we will be making some walnut meat tacos, but before we get into that, be sure that you like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content. Now I will say that my walnut tacos are a crowd favorite, and I took a poll on Instagram. People wanted to see it. People always are like so surprised that it's actual walnut because it looks like meat. This is a part of my Taco Tuesday series on Instagram, so be sure to check me out at Holistic Homie. And every Tuesday for the month of May, I am going on live to show you another plant-based taco option. And so yesterday I started with my walnut tacos with some strawberry, rosemary margaritas, because it's Cinco de Mayo. You have to have a margarita with your taco. It's like the law. My brother actually made the margaritas, but all you have to do is just muddle some strawberry, put some rosemary in there, make your traditional margarita, put in whatever you want to put in it, and then just add it on top. It's so good. I don't really drink like that, so he got the liquor, but I got you with the eat. So let's get into it. So I started with a cup of soaked walnuts that I soaked for about 8 hours. You can do it for about 8 hours to overnight, and I just filled it to the top. And these are my spices, and my secret ingredient is a soy sauce to give it like that brown look, that ground turkey look. But you know, you've seen these spices before several times. Reduce sodium, get into it. So I added in the walnuts. You can see it kind of losing its coloring as well because it was soaked in that water and the spices. And I'm just gonna go ahead and blend this up, not too much, just to give it like a little ground meaty texture, and it should look something like that. You see that it's not grounded too much, but it's definitely chopped up. And me using a blender is just an alternative to me not having a food processor right now. So I'm going ahead and putting my garlic, my onion, and my yellow peppers on the stove. Got that corn tortillas. I added in my walnut meat, put in some more seasonings, and also the soy sauce. So I'm just gonna cook it. It's not like you have to like cook it because it's not meat, it's literally nuts. But you know, just to make me think that I'm making something. But that's what it's looking like. Got my toppings, my cilantro, my avocado. Got that on deck always. And this is the final product. These were so good. We tore them up, honey, when I tell you. This is my boyfriend's favorite meal, literally. And we had margaritas to go with it. Yes, honey, so good.